In this lecture, we are going to learn how to animate a flag image in Adobe Photoshop. You can use multiple flags after completion effect. You have to just replace and animate them. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update, and leave a comment to motivate us.
Graphic teacher.
First, I take the image, Indian flag image. That image size is 1250 by 833 pixels. You can take whatever you like, but this dimension you have to keep in mind. I increase the canvas size to 3000 pixels by 2400 pixels for animation space. Convert to smart object, flag layer. Go to filter, distort and wave. And keep this kind of setting. Firstly, we make it 11 and scale 15, vertical 100, horizontal 15, vertical 100, amplitude minimum 1, maximum 102. Try wavelength accordingly. Minimum is 101, wavelength minimum is 101 and maximum 656. Looking good. Okay. And number of generators 11. So after this, we open a timeline and create timeline and convert to frames, because we have to create frame animation first. And these are the settings. You can edit a little bit however you like. I keep number of generators 10, wavelength minimum 120 and maximum 660. Rest as it is, fine. And convert into 0.2 second and duplicate selected frames and right click and duplicate layer. Remember, rename 2 layer 2, layer 1 in layer 1 on in layer 1 frame and layer 2 on in layer 2 frame. Go to wave, double click. Because of smart object, you can edit multiple times. Number of generators 11, wavelength 113, minimum and maximum 749. This is fine. Save way. Yeah, see. And now duplicate again. Layer 3, duplicate frame. Keep layer 2 and 1. Layer 3 off in layer 2 and 1. And layer 3 keep in frame 3. Layer 3 is on. Double click on it. Number of generators 13. Wavelength minimum 140 and rest keep as it is. Duplicate frames. Fourth frame, duplicate layer 4 and rest 1 to 3 frames. Keep layer 4 off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each layer on that particular frame. Go to wave, double click. Wave generators 14, wavelength 128 and increase to 880 max. Again duplicate frames, frame 5, duplicate layer 5. Okay. Fourth layer off in 5th frame. Shift, select all 4 frames of the 5th layer in all 4 frames. Go to wave, double click. Increase the maximum wavelength 999. Okay, keep pressed as it is. Now this is fine. Duplicate layer frame 6, layer and frame number 6. Select all 1 to 5 frames, layer 6 off in that frames, and double click on layer 6, wave. Increase the wavelength to 193. This is fine. This is nice. One, you can play and check the see. You can play and check animation, which is looking good. Now this is fine for me. Animation is looking nice. I want to create a pole or stick for this flag. So I have to convert this into timeline and select all layers and convert to smart object. After timeline only you can convert to smart object. Right click, select all layers, right click and convert to smart object. Now video timeline. Duplicate a whole layer and drag it next to it. This way you can create video group and just duplicate it, come next to it. See, this is a 4 layer. These are all layers are ready. Now this duration is fine for me. Now press Command or Control to shift whole group upside to upside, because I want to create a pole or stick on flag. Now the whole group is shifted to upside. Select rectangle tool and view properties, drag accordingly and just take out outside that group and keep upper side. Give at least 25 pixels roundish. See now, adjust accordingly. Now the position is proper. Now change the gradient effect. This way, double click or select the shape and double click on here. Keep it 0. I want horizontally and insert colors on clicking double click and adjust the color this way. You can create any kind of colors. This is the way. This way you can create pole. Now we give inner shadow to look little natural. Right click on group, blending option, click on inner shadow and adjust the angle to 178 minus 178. Adjust the size, opacity and noisiness. This way, this is fine. See, now it's looking much better than a plain color. Your animation is ready. You can go export and save as for web legacy and create GIF. GIF you have to keep nearly 600 pixels width to make your GIF lightweight. preview. See, this 600 by 480 196 KB. This is much better. This way you can create your own flag animation. Go to File, Export, Render Video for video purpose. Double click on any smart object. Double click again on an image layer, and you can copy paste any flag, any nation flag or any flag in it. See, this way. See, one by one I have created 5 flags. One of the flags which you want to render, I have used UK flag, US, China, Pakistan. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update, and leave a comment to motivate us.
Graphic Teacher.